Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to save your petunias for next year. These are plug plants that I purchased. What I'm going to be doing with these is just this one, just dig it out, put it on into a nice pot. First of all, compost. This is organic and peat free mix. Really good mix to look at that. Really nice crumbly mix. Holds the moisture but also helps it breathe plenty of air. So just fill it about halfway. You don't know how much root's going to come out with this. So let's get down there. Force it up like so. And you should get a nice root ball come out with that. As you can see, nice white roots. That shows you it's still alive. You don't want any damaged roots. There's no leaves on this. Well, I say no leaves. Just see tiny leaves there. This has been absolutely mullered by caterpillars, slugs, snails, you name it. So once that's been got like so, just want to break enough of the root ball back so it fits into the pot. And I've got some nice new compost which has got some feed already in it. You want to get the same level, just want to bury those roots there. With it being in a half moon basket, it's been dangling down the side, so it actually grows to one side, it pulls it to one side, so you end up with the roots showing there. Yeah, once you've done that, give it a good bang and tap down. Yeah, that's in the centre. All you need to do with that then is give it a water. So over to my tray, like so. Once it's in there, move over here. Once it's in there, you want to, only to it then, just give it water from the top. Just gets rid of any air bubbles, any pockets. What will happen then is the bottom will soak up the rest of the water. Root there, you don't want them sticking out. And once it's done on there, I should come round and it will go in here like this one that I did a few days ago. You can see this one already. Just starting to get some, get new leaves on it. Just wait a minute. See there? I'm really pleased there because then I can take some cuttings from this. As soon as it's grown back, yeah, you just see there. So there's no reason why you need to throw out your penstemons. You can treat them as perennials, cut them right back, and then you get loads of new growth. You can put them out next year, and you can also take cuttings from them for next year. So yeah, that is what I've done with this one, and that will go over there now. Yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.